Most people think AI is about writing better prompts. It's not. It's about building better systems. And once you see this, tools like Microsoft Copilot will start to make a lot more sense. Think about how Copilot works. It already has context, your emails, files, meetings, and organizational knowledge. You don't start from zero every time. Now here's what most people don't realize. That same architectural idea exists outside Microsoft 365. Welcome to Microsoft 365 Quick Skills. Today I'm going to show you how ChatGPT projects from OpenAI apply this exact system-level approach, and how they compare to what Copilot is already doing behind the scenes. Quick clarification, ChatGPT projects are an OpenAI feature, not a Microsoft product. I'm showing them because once you understand the pattern, you understand why tools like Copilot feel so powerful. Copilot gives you structured context automatically. ChatGPT projects let you build that structure intentionally. One is pre-wired for your workplace. The other lets you design the system yourself. And when you understand both, you stop prompting AI and start directing it. Let me show you exactly how this works. At the time I'm recording this, ChatGPT projects are available on paid ChatGPT plans, like Plus and Team. A project is where you define the goal once, set your rules once, and keep your materials in one place, so you stop rewriting the same prompts over and over again. Step 1. Open ChatGPT, then go to Projects. Next, click New Project. Name it by workflow. I'll call this one YouTube Scripts. Step 4. Now define the goal. This is what keeps the AI consistent. Next, I add style rules. Think of this as setting your brand voice. Now I add an output template so every response follows the same structure, like hook, key points, step-by-step demo, recap, CTA. Next, I add foundation content. This is optional, but extremely powerful. Add anything you normally repeat. Examples, audience notes, references, constraints. This is what creates consistency. Instead of rewriting prompts, I'm building structure. Just like Copilot uses your mailbox and files as structure. Now comes the upgrade. I don't just chat, run an agent, meaning we let AI execute multi-step work using the project's context. Notice I'm not starting a normal chat. I'm working inside the project so the AI already understands my environment. If your prompt requires the AI to think in stages, organize output, and follow rules, organize output, and follow rules. You are already operating in agent mode. The agent already understands my goal, tone, and rules. I'm no longer prompting. I'm directing and delegating. And this is where most AI users fall behind, because they're still prompting instead of building systems. This is the difference. Prompts reset every time. Projects persist. Agents execute. And here's why this matters for Copilot users. Copilot works because Microsoft already built projects and agents for you, using your emails, files, and meetings. Once you understand this pattern, you stop fighting Copilot and start working with it. ChatGPT Projects simply make that architecture visible. The future of AI isn't better prompting, it's better architecture. In the next video, I'll bring this directly back into Microsoft 365 and show you how to apply it inside Copilot. Thank you for watching.